Hello friends, easy guide how to install a winch on FMS Land Cruiser. FMS don't sell original tuning parts yet, and you won't find original metal bumper or winch for FMS chassis, but the good thing is that FMS bumper mount and TRX4 square mounts are basically the same, and there are a lot of different tuning parts for TRX4 on the market, and you can find metal bumpers for TRX4. Choose whatever you like. I like this design, and you can mount it easily. It's a bit loose, but when you tighten the bolts, it's perfectly fine. Now, regarding the winch itself and the wiring, you need to find the winch or the kit with adapter, 3-channel or signal adapter. So you can plug it directly to the receiver, to the 6-channel, and control it with a stock radio system with a 6-channel button. And it's very easy. So you plug it to this plate, adapter plate, plug it to channel 6. By the way, my bumper have some nice daylights, so I also plug it to my stock receiver. And here we go. Very nice, very easy. After installing bumper and winch, you'd rather want neatly lead all the wires and protect the wires.